Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and are you sick of hunching over to complete your beautiful puzzle masterpiece? Then you have to check out this amazing puzzle table from Doerpuz. Now, this puzzle table is unlike one that I have personally ever seen before. I love that it is actually a higher height so that I can sit on my couch and complete my puzzle nice and comfortable. No more bending over or have to sit on the floor to complete my puzzle. I absolutely love the space that this provides too. Not only does it have a really nice large main puzzle table area, but it also comes with 4 different side drawers that allows me to sort my pieces perfectly. Each of the drawers and the table itself are lined with a really nice soft felt. What I love about it is it holds our pieces in place, but it doesn't prevent us from sliding our pieces around as we're trying to organize them. This isn't just a puzzle table though. Our family uses it very practically. My son loves to use it for building too. It's very comfortable for him and gives him a nice wide area to complete his builds. Our family uses this to do either small or large puzzles too. What's great about it is it comes with a cover, so for those larger puzzles that we need to come back to later, we can just pop on the cover and put it away for the evening. It is movable, which is really convenient for us. We can move it between the couches. We can even move it out of our living area if we need to put it away for a couple of days and then bring it back out when we're ready to start our puzzle again. This puzzle table is versatile, it's easy to move, it's adjustable, and it is the perfect height. So if you're looking for a good quality and functional puzzle table, I would definitely recommend it. But that's just my point of view.